Hi students, how are you all? So students, listen, we are discussing about living world. In our previous video, we had discussed about diversity of living world. Diversity of living world means different types of living organisms are found on the earth's surface. Diversity means not similar, dissimilar. Yes or no? Different types of organisms found. It's starting from unicellular organism having only one cell. Yes or no? That organism is also survive on the earth's surface. And it's starting from that kind of organism up to vast multicellular, different advanced level of organisms. And what kinds of organisms? Different types of organisms found on the earth's surface. Understood or not? So we are discussing about that living world. Here I am just trying to explain you shortly the meaning of taxonomy. There is one word, as you can see here, I have written taxonomy, Taxonomy. What is the meaning of taxonomy? Please understand. Taxonomy word given by one scientist, botanist. Yes or no? His name was Candolle. Understood or not? Candolle, Candolle. Understood? Candolle has given this word taxonomy. What is the meaning of taxonomy? Taxonomy means this is the branch of science. This is the branch of science that deals about identification, nomenclature and classification. Identification, nomenclature and classification. What is the meaning of identification? Identification means, first of all, suppose one organism, one new organism. Suppose this one is the new organism. Yes or no? This one is the new organism. Okay, this new organism recently has discovered. Yes or no? This organism's name is not there. Identification, first of all, it will be conducted. Identification means, first of all, scientists, they will think about that what kind of organism is it. Whether it is unicellular, whether it is multicellular. If it is unicellular, then again it will be found there. Yes or no? What kinds of characteristics present. Properly identification, classification. Classification laterally it will be conducted. First of all, identification, recognition. Yes or no? This is the unicellular. Yeah, this is the multicellular. Then this is the prokaryotic. Yeah, eukaryotic. Yes or no? Then after that, autotrophic. Yeah, heterotrophic. Okay. Then after that, different special kinds of any organs found there. Yes or no? So like this, so many kinds of your criteria are there. Different kinds of aspects, different kinds of criteria are there. It will be overlooked to be identified. So this is known as the identification. Second point is that nomenclature. Nomenclature means what? Nomenclature means naming. Naming it will be given. Okay. Naming will be given. Naming means what? Naming means one naming will be given as per that identification. And that nomenclature means naming will be given as per that binomial system of classification. Binomial system of classification means, I had told you in the last video, binomial system means one is genus, another is species. Yes or no? Listen, properly about genus, species, I will say you in detail later. Okay. That nomenclature, one scientific name, which scientific name will be accepted worldwide, will be given. Then classification. Classification means, this is the most important point. Classification means suppose after the 10th class, yes or no? After the 10th class, all of you recently have come to plus 2 first year, it means 11th class. Yes or no? This one is the 11th class. Okay. This one is the 11th class. In the 11th class, 3 divisions are there. 3 divisions were there. Okay. Recently what modification has been done there? Yes or no? One is suppose science. Then this one is the arts. This one is the commerce. Yes or no? This one is the commerce. Science, arts, commerce. Science students, art students, commerce students. Yes or no? This one is the classification. Suppose anybody, yeah, your principal sir will say you that to sit in different categories. Students, those who will take science course, you please go to that. Those who will take arts, you please go there. Those who will take commerce, you just go there. So this is the classification. Similarly, organisms also classified according that. Yes or no? So basically this is the definition for taxonomy. Understood or not? Here I am saying you about another word that is known as the systematics. Yes or no? That one is the systematics. What is the meaning of systematics? Systematics. Systematics means one properly Systematics means what? Systematic means properly ordered different kinds of organisms. Yes or no? In different step by step. One system is there. First of all, this systematic word comes from one book that is known as the Systema Nature. Yes or no? Systema Nature. Systema Nature. This one is the book written by Carolus Linnaeus. Yes or no? Carolus Linnaeus. Carolus Linnaeus has coined this word. Carolus Linnaeus was given this word that is called systematic. Okay, systematic word comes from this book, Systema Nature. First of all, Carolus Linnaeus had used this term systems. Systematic. Systematic means what? Systematic means that same thing. One properly system. What absolutely related with taxonomy? Yes or no? Taxonomy. Taxonomy. What taxonomy? First of all, systematic. Identification will be done. Nomenclature means naming will be given. Classification will be done there. Yes or no? So one systematically way everything will be carried out. Understood or not? So the point is that what is the meaning of systematics? Another thing I would like to tell you here, that taxonomy, Carolus Linnaeus is the father of taxonomy. Yes or no? He is the father of taxonomy. Carolus Linnaeus is the father of taxonomy. You please note it down. Taxonomy. Carolus Linnaeus is the father of taxonomy. Understood or not? Carolus Linnaeus had done that systematically one group. Another point here I will tell you that each and every kinds of organisms at that time of being classified, it is there seen that evolutionary characteristics. What? Evolutionary relationships. Evolutionary relationships. Relationships. Evolutionary relationships means what? What is the meaning of evolution and what is the meaning of relations? It means closely ancestors. As per the meaning of your that evolutionary basis, closely ancestors. Yes or no? It will be there closely ancestors. It will be also seen there. It will be also observed that. We will discuss about evolution in detail. Okay. So evolutionary relationships also seen there. But Linnaeus had just classified the organisms in different kinds of groups. Listen. First of all is that genus, then species, then class, then order, then variety. What variety is not right now included? Yes or no? This is the classification done by Carolus Linnaeus. Yes or no? Genus, species, class, order and variety. Yes or no? But newly added, recently after being studied, laterally different kinds of biologists, they absolutely added different kinds of other terms. What terms are not there? Just like kingdom, then what? Phylum, then family. Understood or not? One is a kingdom, second one is phylum, third one is family. It might be little bit hesitated. It might be that hesitations from for you all to understand properly all these things. Yes or no? It might be. It may be. Kingdom, phylum, family, genus, species, class, order, everything we will discuss you later. I will say you in detail behind one by one terms. What is the meaning of kingdom? What is the meaning of phylum? What is the meaning of family? Each and every terms I will tell you. Okay. So these are the newly added classifications. These are the newly added terms. Yes or no? So basically we have already understood that taxonomy word meaning systematics. Right now another term I am just trying to tell you about that systematic what? Taxonomy categories. Yes or no? What is the meaning of taxonomy categories? Taxonomy categories. Taxonomy categories. Categories means what? Categories means that level. Label means this is one taxon. Yes or no? What is the meaning of taxon? What is the meaning of label? I am just saying you. One word you must understand. Okay. First time you are just listening about that word. Yeah, in the high school period you might have remembered, might have listened that one. Taxonomical hierarchy. Yes or no? This one is the H. Understood? Taxonomical hierarchy. Taxonomical hierarchy means what? Right now we'll discuss about recently what kind of your that what one systematically step by step each and every points are there present, and what system is there applied whenever a new species is there discovered. It will be applied for the addressing, for the identification for that species, yeah, for that species, for plant kingdom, for animal kingdom. What are the right now present world widely accepted system? Yes or no? This one is the old, this one is the new. Variety is not right now. Variety not included in the recent, in the right now, whatever system is there present. I am just writing here. You please write. See this. First of all, that is kingdom. First of all, the word is kingdom. Yes or no? Then the group is that phylum or division. Then class. Then order. Then family. Then genus. Then species. Kingdom, phylum, a division, class, order, family, genus, species. What are these? These are properly, systematically, yes or no, to be identified one organism. This is the full address of one organism. Yes or no, one species. You just see kingdom. Phylum is for animal kingdom, division is for plant kingdom. Phylum is for animal kingdom, division is for plant kingdom. Yes or no? Class, order, family, genus, species. Yes or no? Kingdom means 5 kingdom classification. We will discuss about that. Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. Yes or no? So, kingdom is the largest group. This is the largest group having vast diversity, whereas species is the smallest group. Species is the smallest group, and in this group different kinds of organisms are closely related. Yes or no? Different kinds of organisms present in the species which are closely related with each other. Yes or no? So many equal types of species absolutely will come in the group of your genus. Yes or no? And different kinds of same little bit closely related genus, it will be undertaken by family. Okay, and different kinds of families will be undergoing your order. Yes or no? Then different kinds of same orders, it will be what? Placed under one class, and different kinds of same classes will be placed under one phylum, one division, and different kinds of same phylum, same division, which are closely related with each other. Each and every kinds of things will be undergoing under that, it will be placed under kingdom. Yes or no? So this is the system. Okay, species is the smallest group where different kinds of organisms present having closely related with each other, where kingdom is the group which is the largest group, vast group having vast diversity. Yes or no? Just like Animalia kingdom, where our kingdom is the Animalia. Yes or no? Animalia kingdom. Plantae kingdom. Yes or no? Then we will discuss about each and every terms. These are one on taxons. Species is one taxon. Yeah, labels. Yeah, groups. You say all these things are groups. Yes or no? Different kinds of animals, after being identified properly, after being classified properly, it means everything whenever will be systematically observed. Then such kinds of address will be given behind each and every organisms. What that organism belongs to what kingdom? That organism then belongs to what phylum or division? That organism belongs to which class, which order, which family, which genus? Then ultimately this is the smallest group, that is the species. Yes or no? बहुत गुड़े species मिसिकी genus, जेमिति बहुत गुड़े closely related genus मिसिकी family, family बहुत गुड़े मिसिकी order, ता ऊपर को अच्छी class, बहुत गुड़े class मिसिकी phylum या division. This is the animal, this is the plant. Then बहुत गुड़े phylum या divisions, phylums और divisions मिसिकी होची kingdom. Yes or no? So एटा होची गुड़े systematically गुड़े address. Yes or no? जो address टा दिया जाए कौन सी गुड़े organism को भला भाବରେ जानिबा पाई. So ultimately the result will be here. मु कहली कि टैक्सोनॉमी को कॉइन करथिले कैंडल बोली जने साइंटिस्ट बॉटनिस्ट. टैक्सोनॉमी रो माने होची जे कोनोसी ऑर्गेनिज्म धर आविष्कार हैला पृथ्वी पृष्ठ रे, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तार आइडेंटिफिकेशन हबो. आइडेंटिफिकेशन केमति हबो? बहुत गुडे कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स अछि. कोन कोन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स अछि? सेटा एककोषीय प्राणी या बहुकोषीय प्राणी, सेटा ऑटोट्रॉफिक ना हेटेरोट्रॉफिक निजे खाद्य पदार्थ प्रस्तुत करे क्या अलगा अन्य कोन से ऑर्गेनिज्म ऊपर डिपेंडेबल हुए अंडरस्टूड और नॉट तार सेलुलर कंस्ट्रक्शन केमिति पुअरली डेवलप्ड या हाईली डेवलप्ड अंडरस्टूड तार स्पेशल किछि कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स अछि कि डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ तार स्पाइनल कॉर्ड अछि ना नाही ये नो वार्म ब्लडेड ना कोल्ड ब्लडेड अंडा दिए ना दिएनी ओविपारस ना विविपारस सो दैट इज द आइडेंटिफिकेशन तापर नेमिंग दिया जिवो तापर क्लासिफिकेशन हबो एक्चुअली क्लासिफिकेशन हुए एठी आ गोटे टर्म अछि सिस्टमैटिक्स टर्म ता आसीथिला गोटे बहिरु से बहिर नाम अछि सिस्टमा नेचुरा जो बहिटा को लिखिथिले लिनायस अंडरस्टूड और नॉट लिनायस को कहंती फादर ऑफ टैक्सोनॉमी अंडरस्टूड और जेतेबे ए सब क्लासिफिकेशंस करा जाय इवोल्यूशन बोली गोटे टर्म अछि से इवोल्यूशन को भी भलो भाबरे देखा जाय इवोल्यूशनरी रिलेशनशिप्स पुराना टाइम रे एई सब क्लासिफिकेशंस दिया जायतिला बाय लिनायस जीनस स्पीशीज क्लास ऑर्डर वैरायटी तापर न्यूली किछिटा ग्रुप्स ऐड करा गला किंगडम फाइलम फैमिली वैरायटी को काटी दिया गला वैरायटी आ वर्तमान चालुनी तमर वर्तमान टैक्सोनॉमी कैटेगरीज जोटा कि लेवल्स या टैक्सन्स कहंती टैक्सोनॉमिकल हियरार्की माने सिस्टमैटिकली जो अरेंजमेंट हुए जे कोन से गोटा ऑर्गेनिज्म ओके तार एड्रेस दिया जाए से ऑर्गेनिज्म ता को किंगडम रो बिलोंग करूची किंगडम ता सबठु लार्जेस्ट ग्रुप ता तळको अछि फाइलम किबा डिवीजन ता तळको अछि क्लास ता तळको अछि ऑर्डर ता तळको फैमिली जीनस लास्ट अछि स्पीशीज जेमिति हमर एड्रेस अछि होमो सैपियंस होमो मींस जीनस सैपियंस मींस स्पीशीज तापरे नेक्स्ट वीडियो नेक्स्ट टाइम रे मु कहिबी डिटेल ए रिलेटेड आहुरी बहुत किछि इंफॉर्मेशन बाकी अछि हम डिस्कशन करिबा किंगडम कोन फाइलम कोन क्लास कोन ऑर्डर कोन फैमिली कोन जीनस कोन स्पीशीज कोन डिटेल हम डिस्कशन करिबा ओके नमस्कार।